Do you want to send HD photos on Instagram? You can share high-quality photos on Instagram direct message with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send HD photos on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap the message icon in the top right corner to open your direct messages. Now, you will see a list of chats. Choose the conversation where you want to send the photo or start a new chat. At the bottom right of the conversation screen, you will see the gallery icon. Just tap this photo icon next to the message input field. Now, select one of the high-resolution photos from your phone's gallery. Once you select it, you will see an HD icon at the top right of the screen. Just select it until it turns black. Once you have chosen the HD option, tap Send to share it. Now your friend will receive the picture in full HD quality without losing any quality.